Hello, today I'm going to do the unboxing of Salvinos JR 1973 Dodge Charger. I just got this in the mail today, so let me open it up for you and I'll show you what's inside. Sorry about the camera shake. First up, we've got the tires. They look about like the normal ones that come in the Oldsmobile kits and the Monte Carlo kits. Glass front and back. It's got the braces molded in there. Here's the body. I'm going to try to do the best I can here for you. I will take still shots and have them at the end of the video, so if you want to look for those, they'll be at the end. I'll take pictures of all the trees and good shots of the body for all that. Get this bag open. I think most of this is going to be pretty much the same from some of the other kits. So this is a pretty common tree from, like I said, the other ones. You got your engine block, seat, fire extinguisher, fuel cell, differential, some pieces for the front roll bar. There's the exhaust, headers, radiator. This again is a common for a lot of the other kits that they've got, the Oldsmobile and the Monte Carlo. Torsion bar suspension, front roll bar in the engine area, suspension pieces, front shocks. Here's your chassis halves and wheels, cylinder heads, window net. Metal axle is also in that bag, so be on the lookout for that. All right, here is some of the new stuff. So I'm not familiar with Dodge stuff very much, but this is one of the front grille pieces. Roll bar, the peace sign headrest, the RLP headrest. This is the divider from the, I guess, roll cage area to where the fuel cell is. This is the back panel. More roll bar pieces. Different window net, which is cool. Looks like some more roll bar stuff. These are going to be your headlight or grill inserts, I guess. So there's some stuff like that. Big old hood. Also some wheels. These are exhaust pieces. These look like probably the pieces that roll in here, I would guess. All right, here's, oh, I forgot one more. Okay. Here's some more engine pieces. This looks like Hemi stuff, I believe. So I guess it uses the same block as the rest of them, but then it has different pieces to do either the Hemi or like a, I guess like a small block version. Chrome tree, 2 more bumpers for the front, a chrome piece for the back, chrome wheels, air cleaner, some chrome valve covers, rear bumper area there, a spoiler, same quality chrome like they always use, good and heavy, impossible to strip, but I don't plan on stripping any of this stuff anyway, so it's fine. Alright, the only thing we got left is the instructions and the decals. So I'll kind of walk through the decals here. So, you know, obviously it's going to be Petty Blue and STP Red. They kind of show you where the decals all go and what the tape lines and everything are. I'll give you a color code chart there, which is nice. All right, so yeah, there's the engine, 2-stepper. Yeah, again, you're using the same standard block that you used to use, and then, you know, obviously the heads, they got a couple different pieces there. Also with the air cleaner shaped like that, that's new, that's different. And then, you know, you go onto your rear end, use leaf springs, which have been in the Moseville kits, at least the Gray Ghost and a couple other ones, I think, from the beginning. Front suspension, it's telling you it's not all the way together, but it's the 3rd hole, or I guess 2nd hole from the shortest, so the second hole after that. All right, and then exhaust, seat back stuff. This is all the same as it's always been. Roll cage, a little bit different there. Let's see, you know, wheels. Here's where you get to the rear end stuff and the front pieces, which will tell you which ones to use for this build, because like I said, I'm not very in on my Mopar stuff, so I wouldn't know without them telling me. But yeah, that's those are the instructions. Again, I'll have pictures of that at the end too. And then we got decals. So they've got 2 sheets in here. The first sheet is your standard decal sheet. It looks really good. They've also got a 426 sheet, because these aren't supposed to be yellow. They got put yellow, which is fine. They included the right ones in there, so that's cool. So there you have it. That is the Richard Petty 1973 Dodge Charger. And this is not going to be the next kit I build, but I did want to kind of show you, kind of do an unboxing of it, just because I feel like a lot of people are going to want that. So I had a tie between my voting, between the Dale Earnhardt 1981 Pontiac and the 1970 Dodge Daytona, and I'm gonna build the Dodge Daytona because I've already built a Pontiac on the channel before, so this will be something new and different. I will be building the Dale Earnhardt car on video as well, but I'm gonna start with the 71 or the 1970 Dodge Daytona. So there you have it. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll definitely be building this one on camera too. It'll just take me a little bit. Thanks.